In this video, I'll detail how to turn on or enable visual signal on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you have an Apple Watch Series 9, whether it is cellular plus GPS or GPS only, this video is going to show you how you can easily turn on visual signal on your Apple Watch to be able to use maybe tap, double tap, clench, or double clench. So if you're done with this video, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And the first one to do is press the two crown just once. Once you click on that, locate settings and click on it. Then on the settings page, scroll down and locate accessibility. Once you click on accessibility, select zoom. Then under zoom, just scroll down and tap hand gestures. Then scroll down under hand gestures until you get to activation gesture, click on it. Then once selected activation gesture, scroll down and you should see visual signal. Then go ahead and tap the visual signal to toggle it on. So that's all you need to do to turn on or enable visual signal on Apple Watch Series 9. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.